Welcome to the Auto Manufacturing Marketing Benchmarks for 2026. Powered by CU Finder, this report breaks down the digital marketing metrics that matter most for automotive manufacturers worldwide. Device distribution tells a clear story. Mobile captures 68.4% of all traffic, up 4% from 2024. Desktop follows at 27.6%, while tablet continues declining at just 4%. Mobile-first design is no longer optional for manufacturers. Engagement metrics look strong. Visitors spend 4 minutes and 12 seconds per session, viewing nearly 5 pages. The video interaction rate hits 52%. Bounce rates average 45.5%, with mobile bouncing at 51% versus desktop at 38%. For traffic sources, organic search drives 46.2% of global traffic, making SEO the dominant channel. Direct traffic accounts for 28.5%. Paid search brings 14.1%, social contributes 6.8%, and referral plus email rounds out at 4.4%. On the paid advertising front, Google Ads average a CPC of $2.85, with an impressive 4.2% conversion rate. Facebook ads cost $1.15 per click. Google Shopping comes in at just 95 cents with a 450% return on ad spend. The industry average CPA is $78. Conversion benchmarks show varied micro-conversions. Locate dealer converts at 5.5%, download brochure hits 3.2%, request a quote converts at 2.5%, and book test drive at 1.8%. The overall site conversion rate is 2.4%. Retention metrics reveal that customer retention rate stands at 52%, lease renewal rate is 41%, and monthly app engagement reaches 35%. These numbers show the importance of post-purchase engagement in manufacturing. Social media engagement is led by TikTok at 4.8%, the highest in the auto sector. Instagram follows at 1.45%. Facebook trails at just 0.18%. Manufacturers posting 5 to 7 times weekly on Instagram and TikTok see the strongest returns. Email marketing delivers an impressive 38.5% open rate, well above the cross-industry average. Click-through rate is 1.9%. Unsubscribe rate stays remarkably low at 0.15%, and bounce rate is just 0.8%. Key takeaways for auto manufacturers. Mobile dominates at 68.4% of traffic. TikTok leads social engagement at 4.8%. Google Ads convert at an impressive 4.2%. Email open rates of 38.5% crush the industry average, and SEO drives nearly half of all traffic. Thank you for exploring the Auto Manufacturing Benchmarks 2026. For more data-driven insights and to supercharge your lead generation, visit CU Finder at qfinder.io.